Did you know your child's resilience is not in their DNA, it is in you? Three Identical Stranger. This is a documentary. If you've not watched Netflix, I do not want you to miss this documentary. This documentary is about the research which was being made on this identical triplets and the twins, many twins, where the psychologists wanted to understand the importance of the nature versus the nurture, the role the genes that played in the development of an individual, or the role of the nurturance that they received from the parents. Let's have a look at the story brief up.
Because it's a real story, but the way that the doc lays it out for you makes you completely paranoid. First of all, they all live like 100 miles from each other. See, their biological mom was a young, single Jewish woman who gave them up for adoption. But the thing was that this agency that took these kids knew that she was struggling with some things, and that would make her the perfect subject. They were looking at parents who had different parenting styles or had different income backgrounds. If it was supposed to determine nature versus nurture, the idea of if your traits are passed down from your grandma and grandpa, or if they're formed by the environment that you're raised in, or if it's a little bit of both.
You will go through the series, you will find a lot happening in this documentary, but to me, this documentary unearths a profound truth.
Nature versus nurture.
The genes may carry its own tendency, but it is our environment that defines the story that unfolds for us. The triplets raised in three different families, one of them ultimately commits suicide. It's a beautiful relevance of how the environment and the nurturance that a child receives develops their inner emotional resilience, the invisible strength that we carry that determines how we face our life's stresses and storms. Stress of living can either make or break an individual depending upon how strong or delicate their emotional resilience is. The epigenetic studies reveals a truth which we can no longer avoid. Yes, we inherit tendencies, but it is our environment that defines how we will carry it forward. The patterns of anger, guilt, control, fears, we inherit it as a parent, but it is up to us if we want to stop it with us or if we want to pass it on further to our children. By taking up our own healings, we consciously decide to gift our children with neuro-emotional resilience, an invisible strength no other legacy can ever provide to them. Difference in nature versus nurturance. We do not have control over the nature, the inherited genes, but we definitely have control over the nurturance that we can provide to our children consciously by making that choice for ourselves and for them, to rewrite our stories and that for them as well. Lastly, I want to thank my daughter for introducing me to this Netflix documentary.